In this episode, I take the kids sailing, we have a sing-along, we sail into the sunset and we almost crash into a fort. We also tie up to several floating objects. Here I am, I'm off to my favourite place, my own private beach near Plymouth. Just leaving the marina there, and here we are on my beach. Had a little fire, and this is where people scupper their boats. There's lots of old boat carcasses, and here I'm in the calms by the entrance to the river, and look at this place. It's got its own little harbour, beautiful place. Look at it, it's so calm though, very overcast, very calm. Imagine living there, wow. And I love it when the trees come right up to the bank.
Where have you come from then?
And there's lots of other boats around,
Alright,
lots
nice.
of kayakers
Yeah,
and
just got to Devonport, been over there, back. Yeah.
other boats.
Very chilled, isn't it? Chilled.
Look at that, I think that boat's missing something. And this is a really strange boat. It's like an old Lou Lugger, but it's had a new addition to it. Now I'm sailing back into the marina. That's where I keep my boat in Blagdons, there on the Hard. And here I'm waiting for my daughter to call me so I can go collect her from the beach. This is Stonehouse Pool. You can see Princess Yachts in the background there, and that's Royal William Yard. And I'm tied up to someone's buoy there, and that's Royal William Yard again. I've got my daughter on board now here. We're sailing out of Stonehouse Pool. It's dead nice there. And there's my daughter Lula. And the shaky camera work, that's the old GoPro there. Very light winds. Beautiful colour of the evening there. And also, that's a very nice boat there. Wish that was mine. And the one in the background. There's always lots of paddle boarders and jet skis around. Yeah, jet skis do my head in. Paddle boarders are alright then.
They're not allowed to.
Look at the wake he's caused. No need for that. Oh, and here, this is West Mud it's called. And there's a really nice place to stop there. You can't get there any other way by boat. There's loads of oysters, loads of wild birds. Pretty wild. You can see Plymouth there in the background. And it was so calm that day, I had to paddle almost all the way back until I caught the current, the outgoing tide. Beautiful there. And here I'm sailing with Derek, that's one of the Navy tugs. They tug the boats in, and we're sailing into the sunset there. Another calm night, another beautiful calm night. Lovely views. Can't get better than that. Calm water, light winds, sunset. Beautiful. Oh, not like this though. This was out with my son. We went round Drake's Island. We got out of the lee of the island and hit very strong winds and great big waves. And so we turned around and came back. It was meant to be calm. The forecast said light winds. Can't always. And this we're tied up to one of the buoys that the big army and navy, the big navy boats tie up to. So that's going to hold us anyway. Imagine a great big battleship tied up to that buoy. And again, we got soaked on the way out there. That's why we're all wrapped up, because it was very, very choppy, raining and loads of spray. And here I'm sailing by myself. This is right out in the sound by the breakwater. There again, loads of paddleboarders. Those paddleboarders have been, I think, from Corsand to Catdown, which is a very long way to paddle, but it was a very calm evening, so I suppose you can do it. And here, Derek almost crashed us into the fort as we were going round. This is the breakwater fort in Plymouth, and got so close, but there we go, almost, but not quite. Luckily, no damage, no injuries. Nice sail though to sail past. And here, that's the lighthouse on the breakwater. Beautiful colour, sky and sea there.
So you think it's calm out here because it's getting like funneled in?
And here, well, tell me what you think. That's Derek's favourite song, that is. And here we're racing along, going out towards Corsand, I think, yeah. That's Rainhead in the background. Rainhead in the distance, and again we had massive swell hitting the bows as we were sailing along. Oh look, underwater, there's my centreboard. I'm hoping to actually get in and dive under one day. There's the centreboard and the rudder and a line that I've got out trying to fish. Still no luck fishing. There we go. And there's Derek.
Nice and relaxed.
Nice and relaxed. Again, we're tied up to somebody's mooring buoy there. And here we're on the run back to Plymouth. And we've got the wind and tide and swell with us there. That's Fort Picklecombe in the background. And so we were doing up to about 7 knots in my little dinghy there, which isn't bad. The little dinghy. There we go. Thanks for watching. If you liked, please subscribe, press the like button, and see you again.